Hello guys, welcome to the next edition of For You Destination Guide. Today I will be guiding you guys to Ogbunike Cave in Ogbunike. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Ogbunike Cave is the most famous cave in Nigeria, located within Oba Valley in Ogbunike, a local government area of Anambra State. Descending into the valley where the cave is located is a lengthy walkway made up of about 317 steps. To get to Ogbunike Cave from Enugu, Awka, Asaba or Onitsha, first stop at Building Material Market Ogbunike along Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. Go to the Keke Park and take a Keke going to Ekazu or Oyolisa Market. From any of these two locations, you can easily get a bike going to the cave. If you are mobile, do use Google Map, as the Google Map direction to the cave is accurate. There are usually a tour guide at the cave, and they charge an entrance fee of 1,000 naira and an additional 1,000 naira for a guided tour. As per tradition, visitors must remove their shoes before entering into the cave. Women who are on their monthly cycle are not allowed to enter the cave. The main cave consists of a massive structure with a big open chamber of 5 meters high, 10 meters wide, and 30 meters long at the entrance. About to experience Ogbunike Cave once more. There are about 10 tunnels at the main chamber leading to different directions. Within the tunnels are big chambers and other tunnels of various lengths. The caves are occupied by a large colony of bats of various sizes, while one of the tunnels is said to be a home of a python.
Central. Tunnel. Is another channel. There is another tunnel.
After exploring the cave, you can hike to the cold and warm spots where the warm spring from the cave meet the cold water from River Nkisa.
$1. Jungle movements.
The meetup point is also perfect for hangouts, relaxation, or picnic.